Back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Star Trek online game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, fatal error, or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once it is done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and then check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall. Change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. So search for the game. Here the game is listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to check for Windows update. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows update in the left panel, click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and then check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Website opens, go below, click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Now, after you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to close unnecessary background apps. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now under background processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them. After selecting it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check. But if the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall Star Trek online game and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix Star Trek online game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, low FPS, fatal error, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.